Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Monk in Path of Exile 2. To start, focus on understanding your unique resource, which fuels powerful attacks. Begin by selecting skills that offer both mobility and initial damage to clear early zones efficiently. Practice combining your abilities to create devastating sequences, ensuring you maximize your impact in every encounter. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success. The Monk's core revolves around a dynamic blend of ranged and melee attacks. Spirit Barrage is excellent for engaging enemies from a distance, while Iron Palm delivers powerful blows up close. Effective Kai management is crucial. Use it wisely to sustain your offensive and defensive abilities. Mastering the flow between these skills will allow you to control the battlefield and overcome challenging foes. When gearing your Monk, prioritize items that boost your attack speed and critical strike chance to maximize your damage output. On the passive tree, focus on nodes that significantly increase your physical damage and provide essential defensive layers. Remember to link appropriate support gems to your main attack skills. This greatly amplifies their effectiveness and helps you scale into later game content. For advanced play, optimize your Monk build to counter specific endgame challenges, adapting your gear and passive tree as needed. Don't hesitate to experiment with unique skill and support gem combinations to discover powerful synergies that suit your playstyle. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. This will help you stay organized and fueled for your long gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.